Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find accounts that you have blocked on Twitter. For instance, you want to unblock them or something, you can just go to your profile page. So click Profile, click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, click Settings and Privacy, and you are just going to go to Privacy under Account. Scroll down until you have found the Blocked Accounts tab under Safety. Click on it, and as you can see, these are the accounts that I blocked. I don't know why. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!